Okay, so welcome back. Now let's do another one. So here we've got this equation here. Now here it's quadratic, but we don't have a constant term here. So this one, we don't need to do any AC method or anything like that. So what we could do is factor this out. Now I'm going to do a u substitution, but again, you don't have to if you can visualize this. Okay? So if we make u equal sine theta, again, you don't have to do this. So I'm going to make this into what? 2u squared plus u equals 0, and then I'm going to factor out a u, so I get u times 2u plus 1 equals 0, and then the zero product principle tells me that either u equals 0 or 2u plus 1 equals 0, which tells me that u equals negative 1/2. Which means that now if I plug back in, I back substitute, now that tells me that either sine theta equals 0 or sine theta equals negative 1/2. Now, this one we know that sine on this interval, sine is 0 at either 0 or pi. So when theta is either 0 or pi, the sine of theta is 0. Now, what about negative 1/2? Well, sine is negative in which quadrants? Sine is negative in the third and fourth quadrant. Okay? So, in what angle gives us negative 1/2? 1/2. Well, that's going to be a 30-degree angle, right? Think about your reference triangle, right, on the unit circle, right? So here's theta. Opposite is 1, hypotenuse is 2, right? So this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, which means that, again, because I'm across from the 1, which is the smallest side, which means that this has to be the smallest angle, and of course that's 30 degrees on a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So pi over 6. So that means, okay, now if I'm looking at the circle, right? Okay, I'm in the third or fourth quadrant. So my triangle is doing that or it's doing that. So here it's going to be 1/6 pi, 1/6 pi more than pi, which is pi is 6 pi over 6, right? So this is going to be 7. So this is going to be theta, or theta equals 7 pi, 7 pi over 6, or I'm over here, which is I'm 1/6 pi less than 2 pi, which is going to be 12 pi over 6, so that's going to be 11 pi over 6. Okay, now, all of these solutions are within the domain. Okay? And let's see here. That's it. Have a great day.